I would request you to just help to understand what is the difference between the sales and marketing. Generally, people got confused that both are same or both are different, and so that will be great help as well as. So what are the ingredients one should have when he look for a job in the sales or a career in sales and marketing?
Vivek, to be honest from my side, basically, as on date today, if I talk about the MBA college students, right, if I talk about the young graduates as well. Basically, initially, when the people are into the college levels, they are not able to identify the difference between sales and marketing, right? Basically, whenever we talk about sales, they always try to identify sales with the marketing also. Basically, simply I can say sales is the profession, sales is the field where lots of good opportunities are there. Because the reasons are very simple. As on date today, if you look any kind of industry, whether it is the FMCG industry or into the automobile or into life insurance, into the mutual fund, into the consumer durable, into the FMCG, into the pharmaceutical as well, into the IT solution as well. Because lots of good opportunities are there in terms of making the career good and better into sales. So simply I can say, into my experience, into my words, sales is always a rewarding career. Sales is always an acceleration oriented domain. No doubt, huge number of opportunities are there. Huge number of career growth is there in the field of every domain. So basically, at the beginning of the career, it depends on the choice of the student. Basically, they want to pick what kind of domain. If they are thinking they can do well into the FMCG one, they should try to find out the opportunity. If they feel they can do well into the financial services sector, they can go there. If they feel they can contribute better into the some other kind of domain, they go there. Because what personally we all know, what personally I feel we all know, every organization, every industry, every organization is producing or manufacturing something for the people, right? कोई कंपनी कार बना रही है, कोई कंपनी FMCG के प्रोडक्ट्स बना रही है, कोई कंपनी दवाएं बना रही है. तो बेसिकली ऑन डे टू डे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर प्रोड्यूसिंग समथिंग, राइट? कोई सर्विस सेल कर रहा है, कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहा है. तो बेसिक बीइंग अ सेल्स पर्सन, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन माय चॉइस. What is my flavor all about? What is my flavor all about? Right? If I take my own example, after completing my MBA, I got selected for a pharmaceutical company, right? Through my college campus. I respect pharma company also. But when I attended my training program, induction program into the Delhi, I will not put the name of the company, certain reasons. The company was very good. This company was among the top 5 companies of the India around 20 years back. When I went to attend the induction training program, I started to realize he might be Prabhas Sinha, you will not be a successful salesperson into the pharmaceutical domain due to some reasons, right? So basically, after attending that 20 days of induction program, honestly speaking, I went to my training in charge of that induction program. I told him, Mr. PK Jain. I told him, Mr. Jain, sir, industry is very good, pharmaceutical, I respect a lot. The company is very good, I respect a lot. You people are damn good, no doubt. But what personally I feel, myself, Prabhas Sinha, would not be able to contribute more for himself in the coming days of time. So after attending the induction program, to be honest with you all, I left that job. Because what I was thinking, that company was not matching with my flavor, which I want to do, right? So simply sales में इतना कुछ करने के लिए है, जहां पर high income potential, I can say. Even though when I joined the insurance industry in the year 2001, approximately 19-18 years back, that was a time when the industry was getting privatized. Even though when I was working for a...
Thanks for watching our video. Now we are requesting you to be part of this Smart Talk shows in upcoming days. You are welcome to be with us on 23rd. We are going to talk about COVID effect, IA scenario, rationalization and closes with Mr. Ravindra Raijada, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. He is a well-known labor law expert in the country, so don't miss. Please be with us Thursday 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Thank you.